guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best blenders. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the best blenders in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best blenders on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Oster Blender Pro 1200 with glass jar. The Oster Blender Pro is something a little bit more superior to anything you may have come across in recent time. Coming with 6 blades, a wide base, and a glass pitcher, it is just on its way to compete with the more expensive brands like Vitamix and Blendtec that comes with plastic pitchers. No staining or smells linger while using this glass blender, according to a customer who uses theirs for soups and curries, as well as cocktails and smoothies. The other benefit of glass is that it's designed to last. It's solid, well built all around, and has settings for everything. Number 9. KitchenAid Artisan K400. If you're on the look for a brand's signature style that isn't lacking in substance, the KitchenAid Artisan K400 blender fills in the gap. There are 7 color options to choose from, and each model has 3 preset blending programs, a pulse function, and a choice of 5 speed settings. All of the programs can be selected by using the simple dial on the front of the K400. Though there aren't any additional blending cups or accessories included with the KitchenAid blender, the blending cup provided does a fantastic job of mixing up small quantities, something that not many other blenders we tested offer. To make it easier to use, the blender has rubber feet to prevent it from shimmying around on your counter as it gets to work. The base of the kitchen blender is made from die-cast metal and is nice and durable. Coming in number 8, Smeg Blender. With its die-cast aluminum frame that comes in a range of 8 glossy colors, including cream, red, pastel blue, and pink, the Smeg BLF01PB UK blender has a head-turning design, although its 1.5-liter capacity jug is the smallest we'd featured in our roundup, which is a plus point if you have a small kitchen, and a minus if you're looking to blend large batches. Either way, the design is compact, and the Triton jug, like the Tefal and Philips models, is relatively lightweight to hold. The control dial has 2 preset programs for ice crushing and smoothies, and speed settings that can be manually controlled from 0 to 4. This comes with a soft start, so the speed is built up gradually for an even blend of the ingredients. Noise level wise, when we use the Smeg BLF01PB UK blender to make a smoothie, it reached 103 decibels, a little above average. The blend was smooth, a little than the finish of the Philips vacuum blender design. Coming at number 7, Hurricane Compact Juicing Blender. When you are tight on space but don't want to compromise on performance and options, this is the blender for you. It comes with an easy-to-use rotary dial controller with clear measurement markings and easy-to-grip jar. It features a 32-ounce jar and 2 16-ounce travel cups, with lids perfect for keeping your smoothie cold. Though it makes great margaritas and milkshakes without leaving flecks of fruit and ice left behind. Keep in mind that getting the blade on and off can be a little tricky if you have not gone through the manual. Number 6. Ninja HB150 UK Blender and Soup Maker. With 16 preset options to take the guesswork out of preparing everything from smoothie and soups to jams and desserts, the Ninja HB150 UK Blender and Soup Maker is one of the best on the market. It comes with a built-in heating element, so you can use the saute program to fry onions, garlic, and spices. While with the cook button, You can cook soup ingredients up to 60 minutes, and can even use raw meats such as chicken. It even offers food processor style functions, so you can chop and blend, ensuring it's a one-stop shop for making smooth and chunky soups in around 20 minutes. It features a very specific clean mode that heats and pulses rapidly to remove residue from the non-stick coating. And while the design is a little on the bulky side, we think that the 2-in-1 option of the Ninja HB150 UK blender and soup maker offer is worth considering, even if you're tight on the worktop space. Coming in number 5, Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. It's a cult fave for a reason. Short of cleaning your kitchen, there's nothing the showpiece Vitamix can't do. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from perfectly smooth nut butter to hearty soups and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily move on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and marks in seconds. Though it's an investment, you won't find a better performing, more durable pick at a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. Coming in number 4, Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender. Like to increase your blending power while reducing noise? The Hamilton Beach Professional lets you keep your conversation going regardless of what you're blending. The Quiet Shield reduces the amount of noise from your blender when placed over the jar. Plus, it doubles as a serving pitcher. It also is perfect for carrying ice from the freezer to the blender. The airflow around the motor and rubber-mounted components also help to dampen noise during the blending. The 2.0 peak horsepower motor powers stainless steel blades to speeds over 105 miles per hour to blast through ice, frozen fruit, and other tough ingredients in seconds. With rubber-mounted components, a motor designed with optimal airflow, and a removable shield, this blender is engineered to reduce noise during blending. Number 3. Nutra Ninja Personal and Countertop Blender. Whether you're making tasty purees or creamy smoothies, this advanced blender's powerful motor and pre-programmed pulsing and pausing settings provide constant blends with one press of a button. Coming with 1200 watts of professional power and performance, the XL 72-ounce pitcher features total crushing technology to crush through ice and frozen ingredients in seconds to create creamy frozen drinks. The Nutra Ninja blade assembly pulverizes white fruits and vegetables for nutrient and vitamin extraction. Simply blend personalized smoothies and juices directly into the Nutra Ninja cup. Attach the lid and enjoy on the go. Coming in number 2, Breville the Super Q. If you want a professionally styled smoothie, then Breville the Super Q is the option for you. The powerhouse blender won't look out of place in a professional kitchen, and it's pretty bulky too. Included with this blender is a personal blending cup with a travel lid, so you can make smoothies for when you're on the go. In our tests, we were impressed with the 12-speed settings and the preset programs for creating crushed ices, smoothies, and more. The smoothie settings did a good job of creating a silky mixture, but the green smoothie setting was particularly powerful for mixing up veggies. Breville the Super Q machine is really designed for making large quantities, and it struggles to mix small mayonnaise recipes we tried out. However, when it's filled to the capacity, the blender copes well and there were no leaks whatsoever. Though it is not the cheapest model on the market by far, but you get what you pay for. You get a powerful and easy-to-control blender. Number 1. Vitamix A3500. The Vitamix A3500 blender means serious business and made light work of combining ingredients in our tests without leaving any chunks behind. Ice cubes were blitzed up with ease, and an auto cleaning cycle means using the blender is a breeze. The Vitamix blender has an impressive 10 variable speed settings, a pulse function, and even a programmable timer so that you can set it to work and it'll automatically switch off once the timer is up. To make life easier, there's also a selection of preset programs for making everything from smoothies to spreads. There's only one blending jug included with this model, so if you want extra accessories, you'll have to purchase those separately, which makes the Vitamix A3500 quite the expensive option. You'll be able to connect this blender to your Wi-Fi, and then by using the compatible app, you can access blending tips and lots of recipes. The A3500 is quite bulky though, so take this into an account if you're short on space. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best blenders. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.